Have you ever felt the need of carrying a reasonable number of loads from one place to another without the needs of a car and spending money on gas? Do you need a simple yet efficient ride to deliver small packages from one place to another? Here in Electric Bike Paradise, we are bringing you our top picks for the best electric cargo bikes that are sure to make your life easier. Number 1. NACTO Pony. This NACTO Pony cargo electric bike is perfect for traveling in the urban jungle while keeping all your stuff together. It offers both a rear rack and a sturdy metal basket up front, enabling you to evenly distribute the weight of your items during travel. It comes with a 250-watt brushless hub motor and is fully equipped with modern electronics, comfortable seats, complete with accessories including the charger, toolkit, user manual, and warranty card. This bike has a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge. This e-cargo bike comes with pedal assist and thumb throttle mode. It has the single-speed Shimano derailleur system, so you can maintain your speed at all times. This cargo bike comes with a pair of 20-inch spoked rims and sleek tires. It also comes with a mini LCD located at the right handlebar with waterproof connectors and wiring harness. Specifically built for carrying stuff along the way, the NACTO Pony is a perfect choice for utility purposes. Number 2. Unramax Cargo. The Unramax Cargo offers both performance and utility, with its 750-watt motor and estimated weight capacity of 440 pounds. It's capable of speeds up to 20 miles per hour and a battery life of up to 30 miles on a single charge. This Unramax Cargo electric bike has 24-inch rims with Kenda tires to make your ride as smooth as possible. It also has a substantial load space at the rear end and can have a front carrier installed. Like any other electric bikes, it has thumb throttle and 5-level pedal assist. With Shimano 7-speed push-button transmission, you'll be able to enjoy and control your ride even more. It is equipped with an LCD screen that shows the important details. The Unramax Cargo bike definitely is a dependable one, since its frame is made of high-strength materials like 6061 aluminum that is not prone to rusting, so you'll be sure that this e-cargo bike will last for many years. Included in this e-bike are a bunch of accessories like LED headlight, taillight, rear rack, and fenders. Number 3. Bosch Carrier Cargo Electric Bike. The Bosch Cargo electric bike features a large carrying space at front area that allows up to 353 pounds load capacity. This electric bike has 4 levels of pedal assist and is powered by premium parts manufactured by Bosch, including a 250-watt Bosch brushless mid-engine coupled with a 400-watt battery. It can cover a total of 34 miles in one full charge. More so, it also comes with premium features include a comfort saddle, V-brakes, adjustable stem, comfort grips, and aluminum fork with anti-corrosive powder coating paint. So, if you are looking for an electric cargo bike that is sure to have premium well-made parts, the Bosch Carrier Cargo bike is the one to go to. Number 4. Fido T1. The Fido T1 cargo bike is a great choice for reliability and durability. Its aluminum lightweight frame has a step-through design that can withstand an estimated maximum weight limit of 430 pounds. This electric cargo bike delivers immense amount of power, with 48-volt 750-watt electric motor paired with a 20-ampere-hour battery pack, giving it an overwhelming speed of 31 miles, with 91 miles of range. The Fido T1 comes with premium components including a set of 20-inch spoked rims, front and rear mechanical disc brakes, a LED headlight, fenders and a set of fat tires. With both a rear rack and a metal front basket, you are sure to bring your stuff safely from one place to another with the Fido T1. Number 5. Eunorau G20. The G20 is an electric cargo bike built with a sturdy tubular frame with a large rear rack for carrying cargo and a spacious front rack that can carry more stuff compared to others. It has a maximum payload of 440 pounds. The rear rack has a higher guardrail that can be removed and has adequate dimensions to accommodate 2 child safety seats for children. Speaking of power, the G20 has a 48-volt 500-watt brushless DC motor, a 7-speed Shimano derailleur system, throttle and pedal assist, and an 11.6 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. The bike is also equipped with 160mm disc brakes on the front and the back, fenders and 24-inch rims with thick tires, ensuring you are ready to whatever challenges you may encounter up ahead. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top best electric cargo bikes. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe by clicking the notification button. You can also visit us at electricbikeparadise.com or by dialing 1-800-590-2738 Mondays to Sundays, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and be updated on our list of products on sale.